Hello all, I'm coming up with one more exercise, conversions from isometric to orthographic views, where you could see the exercise. I'm going to explain you the complete concept where students will get confused like where to start drawing the views and where to end up. Okay. Now for that what actually I'll try to explain the concept first, where let me consider this as the front view position of this particular component. Whatever is visible from the front, that need to be presented here on the sheet of paper. Similarly, this is the top view position. Now when I view from the front, what I could see is I could see this long edge followed by the height, but here this material addition is not at all visible from the front. Okay. Let me divide this into three different features. Let us consider this as first feature, which is a base plate. Then this is feature number 2, this is feature number 3. Okay. And this material removal, let me consider that as feature number 4. 4 features we need to show by considering 2D representation. That is fine. And now when I view from the front, what exactly I could see is, I'll just show you. When I view from the front, what we could see this line maybe of 40 or 30 mm, alright, and this line, this complete horizontal, tough to draw with this digital pen, but still managing. This is visible, and this vertical is also visible. Till here it is fine, and this line is also visible from here, and this line, this curve is visible. These are the things visible from the front. Okay, as I said just now, this width is not at all visible from the front. We can't feel that width, we can't judge it, we can't justify that. So other than this feature, when I view from the front, I know that there is one more feature added, but this feature is invisible. Okay, so, but still you could feel this, you have to show that invisible edge, bottom edge, followed by at a height of 10 mm there is one more edge, that edge also visible. This is fine. And rest of the component, this semicircular feature is added, okay, somewhere here, and there is an extension this up to a tangential point. So this line will be up to maybe 10 mm. This is also 10 mm. So the in between we need to draw a semicircle, something like this, followed by one more feature called fourth one. That feature you have to show something like this. Okay, this is how it is going to be from the front, where this width is not possible to identify. Similarly, the complete width is not possible to identify from the front. This width is not possible. Similarly, when I view from the top, this thickness is not possible to identify. Okay, similarly the height is not possible, this height is not possible to identify. Try to understand. Similarly, let me consider one more color just to differentiate both. When I change my position to the top, what exactly are visible means this line is visible, and below there is one more line, but when I view from the top, I feel that these two lines are aligning with each other. Similarly, this line is also okay. So the complete extension from here, there is a complete extension. So let me draw it at some offset distance. I'll take one projector line, then here I'll start. For that projector line, I'll consider, I'll start somewhere here. This is how it is going to be. So I'll take the color. This complete edge is visible. Actually, this complete edge is broken into three pieces. This is first piece, this is second one, this is the third one. But when I view from the top, I get a feeling that all the three are coinciding with each other. All the three are aligning. Similarly, this line, this is also visible from the top. This curve look like a straight line extension, and this line is again continuation till this point. So that also, let me, okay, better to draw it here, better to draw it here. This complete thing is visible like a straight line till this point. Complete thing look like a straight line, followed by again a horizontal is visible, again a horizontal, and again a straight line, something like this. Because when I view from the top, height can't be judged properly, and the thickness is visible, overall thickness, followed by internally there is a circular feature, so we'll show that with a invisible edge. Okay, followed by here also you have a box, okay, something like this, followed by here. Same thing I just like to present it here. When I view from the front with respect to XY line, I'll try to draw it now with the same color whichever I have considered. Here try to see. Front view I'm drawing now. A straight line. This is a straight line because we need to show we are not supposed to use 30 degrees inclination on our sheet when you draw orthographic views. Alright, and there is a height maybe 20 or 30 that will be given to you in the question, followed by this shorter width. This is also visible. Alright, followed by curve, then again a step, sorry, not the complete step, up to some height. Then there is a thickness, it is maintaining some thickness. This is how it looks like. Have a look. This piece I have drawn, followed by this feature will also come and match or align with this. So 10 mm extension followed by a semicircle, something like this, and a internal cutout feature, something like this. Alright. Now whenever you draw these two semicircles, you have to fix, both the circles will share same center. Accordingly you need to draw. Similarly for this curve also you need to fix the center. Accordingly you need to draw this curve. After drawing everything, if you could take the extensions, this is 1, from this vertex point this is 2, from here this is number 3, number 4, alright, midpoint there is 1, I just try to place one axis line, okay, and at some offset distance with respect to the front view I'll draw, okay, I'll consider color now, let me take blue, okay, now I'll calculate or I just measure this width, okay, that width I'll drop it here and I'll close the box. This is how top view look like, followed by there is a width here, that width will show, okay, this line is also visible because this edge is visible, this edge is also visible, this edge is also visible, so everything look like a box, complete thing. Same thing I have represented, followed by from here there is a continuous line maintaining width. This semicircular circumferential feature can't be felt from the top, so I can feel something like this, followed by internally there is a cutout, that cutout I have to show with invisible lines. So without taking enough time of presenting, because if I use all the time a scale it is going to take much time, so that is the reason why I am coming up with a freehand sketch. Means this is your front view, this is your top view, this is how it is going to be look like. Try to understand the concept. If you understand the basic concept, then whatever the damn question may be, you can attempt it. Okay. This is all for now. I hope it is more informative and more concept oriented. Try to share, subscribe with other students, other friends. If you have anything to ask, any queries, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you for now.